Here's some inverse square law trivia. Subscribe. What law describes the intensity of light falling off with distance? Is it A, light wave principle, B, law of reflection, C, inverse square law, or D, photon theory? The correct answer is C, inverse square law. Which physicist formulated the inverse square law for gravitation? Is it A, Richard Feynman, B, Albert Einstein, C, Max Planck, or D, Isaac Newton? The correct answer is D, Isaac Newton. What type of relationship characterizes the inverse square law? Is it A, nonlinear, B, direct, C, linear, or D, exponential? The correct answer is A, nonlinear. In the context of gravitation, what force diminishes according to the inverse square law? Is it A, buoyant force, B, gravitational force, C, tension force, or D, centrifugal force? The correct answer is B, gravitational force. What phenomenon uses the inverse square law to explain sound intensity? Is it A, chemical reaction, B, thermal conduction, C, electromagnetic radiation, or D, acoustic intensity? The correct answer is D, acoustic intensity. Which type of radiation also follows the inverse square law? Is it A, alpha particles, B, sound waves, C, beta particles, or D, electromagnetic radiation? The correct answer is D, electromagnetic radiation. At what power does brightness diminish in relation to distance in this law? Is it A, cubed, B, exponential, C, linear, or D, squared? The correct answer is D, squared. What quantity does the inverse square law help calculate in physics? Is it A, radiation intensity, B, energy output, C, force magnitude, or D, velocity change? The correct answer is A, radiation intensity. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.